Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best electric phone stand is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any smartphone user today, offering unparalleled convenience and functionality for hands-free viewing, content creation, and even charging. Whether you're looking to elevate your video calls, enjoy movies without holding your device, or streamline your mobile photography setup, a high-quality electric phone stand can transform your daily interactions with your phone, making it an indispensable tool for productivity and entertainment alike. Number 5. LISEN Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. Tired of neck strain? This stand is designed for your comfort, allowing you to adjust both height and angle for a perfect viewing experience. It's like having a personal assistant for your posture. Enjoy seamless video calls, streaming, or gaming without holding your device. Its design ensures subtitles are never blocked, making it ideal for multitasking or following along with recipes in the kitchen. Keep your desk tidy and your device secure. This stand features smart cable management and a stable base, even with larger cases, eliminating tangles and tip-overs. Worried about scratches or your device sliding? Anti-slip silicone pads on both the back and bottom provide a secure grip, protecting your phone while keeping it firmly in place. It sits perfectly at eye level, enhancing your connection whether you're gaming, video calling, or working. Experience better viewing and less strain, all in one stylish accessory. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues within a year, or need help with assembly, we're here to provide a quick and easy solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Fight neck strain with its ergonomic and adjustable design, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. It also features smart cable management to keep your workspace tidy. If you spend long hours at your desk or enjoy gaming and video calls, this stand offers both comfort and organization. What people say. The stand is very stable and holds my phone securely. It's easy to adjust the angle and height, making it perfect for video calls. The built-in light is a great feature for taking photos or videos in low light. Number 4. Victrola Journey Bluetooth Suitcase Record Player, Turquoise. Introducing the Victrola Journey, a stylish suitcase record player. It's designed to bring your music wherever you go, fitting perfectly in any room. Experience upgraded premium sound quality with its 3-speed turntable. It sits on isolating feet to prevent vibrations, ensuring a clear listening experience. Housed in a vintage suitcase with a handle, it offers ultimate flexibility. Listen to your music how and where you want, a great choice for vinyl lovers. Stream music from your smartphone via Bluetooth, or connect external speakers with RCA outputs. You can also use the line input for other devices or plug-in headphones for personal listening. No extra equipment is needed to get started. Its retro look combined with modern technology makes it ideal for beginners and vintage enthusiasts alike. Easily control your listening experience with the input select knob and power volume knob. The auto stop switch ensures the record stops spinning when finished. Choose from a wide range of styles, patterns, and colors to match your personality. Create lifelong music memories with unparalleled sound quality and exquisite craftsmanship. What we like. Enjoy music with a vintage flair thanks to its iconic suitcase design and modern Bluetooth capabilities. This 3-speed turntable lets you play all your vinyl records or stream from your phone. If you're a vinyl enthusiast looking for a portable and stylish way to enjoy your music collection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This electric phone stand has a stable base and a flexible gooseneck that allows for easy adjustment of the viewing angle. The phone holder is adjustable and can securely grip phones of various sizes, from small smartphones to larger phablets. It's great for hands-free video calls and watching videos, as it keeps the phone at a comfortable eye level. Number 3. Lamicall Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. This stand is designed to hold virtually any smartphone, from 4 to 8 inches. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, ensuring yours will fit perfectly, even with a case on. Elevate your workspace with this essential desk accessory. It provides the perfect viewing angle for calls, movies, recipes, and video chats, making your daily tasks easier. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this stand boasts a smooth finish and a beautiful metallic sheen. Its sleek and elegant design will complement any desktop. Engineered with a low center of gravity, it holds your device securely. Rubber cushions are included to prevent scratches and keep your phone from sliding. Please note the hook width is 14 mm, so ensure your device's thickness is within this limit. For larger phones over 6 inches, using landscape mode offers enhanced stability. What we like. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this stand offers a sleek and elegant look for any desk. Its stable design and universal compatibility ensure your phone is held securely. If you value aesthetics and a reliable stand for everyday use like watching videos or making calls, this is a great addition to your workspace. What people say. The phone stand is designed with a stable base and adjustable arm, ensuring your phone stays securely in place. It offers multiple viewing angles, allowing you to find the perfect position for video calls or watching content. The stand is foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around and use on the go. Number 2. DJI OM 4 Gimbal Stabilizer. Instantly attach your smartphone and enjoy perfect filming on the go. The magnetic clamp and ring holder enable you to effortlessly capture whenever inspiration strikes. Never post a shaky video again. Our powerful 3-axis motor keeps your smartphone steady and your video smooth, even with an external lens. Innovative features like dynamic zoom use advanced algorithms to create stunning shots with just a tap. Try the mind-boggling Hitchcock effect for a Hollywood feel. Gesture control makes taking selfies or group photos simple. Snapping a pic or starting a video has never been this convenient. Following subjects is a walk in the park. This upgraded version recognizes subjects with higher accuracy, and you can fine-tune your composition with the joystick. Quickly switch between portrait and landscape mode with a simple button press. This offers even more convenience for your shooting needs. What we like. Capture incredibly smooth footage with its advanced 3-axis stabilization and effortless magnetic phone attachment. Features like Active Track 3.0 make following subjects a breeze. If you're a vlogger, content creator, or simply want to elevate your mobile videography, this gimbal stabilizer is essential for professional-looking shots. What people say. The phone stand is very stable and holds my phone securely. It's easy to adjust the angle and height, making it perfect for video calls. The built-in light is a great feature for taking selfies or recording videos in low light. Number 1. Nulaxy Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. Get a pack of 2. You'll always have a perfect stand ready for your device, whether you're at home or on the go. Customize your viewing experience with adjustable height and angle. Find the optimal viewing comfort for your needs. It's completely foldable and lightweight. Easily slip it in your bag or pocket and take it anywhere you go. Designed with a charging slot, you can power up your device without removing it from the stand. It effortlessly supports most smart devices from 4 to 8 inches. It has you covered, no matter your phone. For optimal stability, please adjust the bending angle of the bottom bearing to within 75 degrees. What we like. Get double the convenience with this pack of 2 fully adjustable and foldable phone stands. They are perfect for having one at home and one on the go. If you need a versatile and portable solution for multiple devices or locations, this dual pack offers excellent value and flexibility. What people say. The phone stand is very stable and holds my phone securely. It's easy to adjust the angle and height, making it perfect for video calls. The built-in light is a great feature for taking selfies or recording videos in low light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.